Hey guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be changing the interior handle for the 2013 Nissan Altima. It's broken, so we're gonna replace that, and it's pretty cold outside right now. It's like 30 degrees, so we're gonna do this in the cold. All right, so this is the door for the 2013 Altima, and as you can see right here, it's broken. It's not gonna open your door because it broke from the inside. You know, it's like a small plastic on this end, you know, like on the other side, and that it broke. So we're gonna have to take off the whole door panel, you know, to get to that spot. So let's do it. So the first thing you're going to want to take off is this cover that goes here, you know, and you're going to see that screw that we're going to have to take off. You're going to need a 10mm socket right here, and then just unscrew it. So you're also going to be taking this off. I'm going to pull this back, and then you can get this off right here. You know, that's the buttons. Because we have another screw right there, if you can see it. And it's the same size. That's the one right there. And you are going to have to take off this whole panel, you know, the whole panel right there, you know, because we also have another screw in there. Yep, 10mm. So there is only 3 screws that you got to take off to be able to remove the door panel. It's harder to do with one hand, but if you guys are not recording yourself, then you'll be able to do it with both hands. We got another screw about the same size as the other one. It's off. You just gotta disconnect some of those 2 cables right here. One. And that's 2 right here. And this is the one that's broken. Is this latch right here, the bottom one. We're gonna have to take it off. So I got that off. To the side real quick. And we got one more cable down here. That's what So this is the new handle. It's for the passenger side door, and this will actually fit on the front door and on the rear door. It's made for a 2013 to 2015 Altima, and it's not necessary, you know, to take off that cable. So 3 screws that we're gonna take off. We're gonna be taking this one off, this one, and this one right here. And now we just have that. go. See? You guys can see that's what broke. It's in here. It's this in here. That silver, that chrome plastic piece. It's broken. Here's a new one. There you go. Right. Stick it in and then it's gonna lock. Here. Now this one. This is from the one that was broken. It's the same thing. There you go. So let's try the inside. There you go. Door's opening. See that? Yep, it's working. Okay, so let's put everything back. Plastic. And there it is, guys. That's it. We're done. Again, thanks for watching. And if you have any comments, write them below. If you have any questions, also write it in the comments. Appreciate it if you subscribe. And I'll see you next time.